What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Right now we got the Q50 pulled apart. In the last video we had pretty much got the car up and running, and this video is pretty much going to be based on the end of the process, which should be just the paint and body and putting the frame out. And then you can see right there how they're getting the doors ready, painting the inside of the trim so everything matches with the paint. And then they're gonna square up the body, and then from there pretty much slap on all the new parts, new fender, new doors, new side skirt. And then after that pretty much get all the body work done and then paint it. So yeah, it's pretty much a quick little video showing how everything went with the car and then getting it ready to go. So yeah, hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and yeah, thanks for watching.